Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add promo code on Uber Eats. To add promo codes on Uber Eats is a super easy process. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and type in ubereats.com in the URL box and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're signed into your Uber Eats account, go ahead and add items to your cart like usual. Here I'm going to open up this food item over here. Add the product in your shopping cart by clicking the plus button, and then after you add enough, click on add to order option. Once you've added the product in your shopping cart, and if you're ready to check out, click the go to checkout button. In the checkout page, scroll down and look for the add promo code option. Click the add button right next to it and enter your promo code in the text box. Finally, after entering your promo code, click on apply. The discount or offer associated with the code will be now reflected in your order total if the code is valid. So that's how you can easily add promo code on Uber Eats order. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.